Fathom Enterprise Analytics Suite Pricing explained what you get for your money. When it comes to turning complex business data into simple, actionable insights, Fathom Analytics takes a refreshingly privacy-focused approach. But how much does it cost, and what do you really get for your money? Fathom Enterprise pricing is customized for large organizations, typically starting around per month, depending on traffic and feature requirements. Unlike traditional analytics tools, Fathom focuses on simplicity, speed and compliance. No cookies, no tracking consent headaches. You get detailed website analytics, engagement data, and conversion insights presented in a clean, easy-to-read dashboard. The enterprise version adds advanced API access, multi-domain tracking, and custom data exports, perfect for teams managing multiple brands or client sites. Most people get this wrong. They think privacy-focused analytics means less insight. But Fathom proves the opposite. You get real, actionable data without invading user privacy or slowing down your site. Enterprise users also enjoy 99.9% uptime, dedicated account management, and premium support. Plus, your data is stored securely in the region of your choice, a big win for global compliance. If your organization values transparency, performance, and simplicity in analytics, Fathom Enterprise offers everything you need to measure success without compromising user trust.